Wow, this house is cool. And snow. There's no more snow. It looks deeper too. Try going it. Wait, there's more snow. Oh my! Time to have some fun. That's how deep it is. We're gonna have some fun in the snow. You know, I'm gonna eat it. Tastes like snow. Should I go under again? Yeah. I'm gonna get a snow fort, Daddy. Oh my God. It's still deep. Man, it's deep down. Look at that. I'm gonna show you. That's how deep it is. I could never get bored of this snowstorm. The snow will take forever to melt. There's so much of it. And that's like a blizzard. It's a blizzard. Jeffy, it's Phoebe's turn. Okay, Daddy. I gotta get out of this deep snow. My feet are gonna. Wow, that's deep it is. Pretty deep, huh? Oh my God. Hey guys, my name is Phoebe. Wow, look at the snow. It's still snowing because there's like a blizzard. I think. Wait a minute. Oh my God. I think it's more than 2 feet because I'm like this, and that's how tall that is. Yeah, I think it's definitely more than 2 feet. Look at that pile. It's piled up conveniently. Wow. Look at all the plants. Wait. Oh my God, this is so fun. Okay. Made it look a little snow forty. Ah, the wind's coming. The wind's coming. This snow's so tall. Oh, that got me really deep. Your turn. Oh my God. It is a very, my God, a lot of snow. Oh my God. Yo, look, that snow's so hot. I can never get bored of this. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Crazy. Look at the bush. Ugh, whoa. Well, I can go under here. Welcome to the lair of my secret fort. Alright, I think I know how to do that. Alright, I shaked up now. You get it? Oh, this is probably the rock. Get up. Deep snow. What a big mountain over here. Wow. That's cool. Alright, Mario's turn. Oh my god. It snowed like a lot. Oh my god. It has to be more than 2 feet. There's no way. It has 2 feet. Oh god, it's a breeze. Why does it have to be a breeze right now? Oh my god, there's a lot of snow. Is this really? That's a lot of snow. Oh my god, there's a lot of snow. There's more than... Look at that sucker. It's so cold out here. You know what? I know it's a blizzard and this is fun, but yeah, this is a blizzard. That must be big because there's more than 2 feet of snow. There's like a billion. Uh-oh. I'm gonna freeze to death. Oh, it's so bad. Okay. I need snow. I think I'm gonna... Marvin, are you okay? Oh my god, it's beautiful out. Look at that snow, look at the blizzard. Wow. Just take a look. Oh my god, it's so tall. I always dream of this to be like frozen. I'm gonna go dance, if you know what I mean. Twinkle, twinkle, little. Oh my god, it's so windy. I can't go inside. It's still windy free. This blizzard has 50-mile winds. Ow!
Don't be bad. It's normal.
I'm just gonna stand there, not say anything, just look at me. Well, you always say that. What should I say? Thank you. I appreciate you caring about me. Ah! Ow, 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 ow.
I'm gonna make some fried pickles.
Ew. Gross. What about cookies? Yeah. Oh, we're filming. Oh man, look back, it's so deep. Oh, usually we watch Charlie, but I'm playing the snow with my son and his friends. I'm not going in the snow. I'm not prepared. No, wind, no. You put me down. No, wind. Ah! I hate you. Dude, it's snowy. Like, but last time there was snow, but this time it's a lot more snow. I'm poor, so I have nothing else to do but to play in the snow. Yay, it's so fun in the snow. Someone help me. I'll make a snow fort. Snow fort Joseph. Oh my god, I've never seen so much snow. You know, last time, but this time, I can make a snow angel. What's a blizzard? What am I saying? I like blizzards. Blizzards are cool. Let's just see how, oh my god. These are tall. This is not the right spot. I'm gonna get my broken foot. Just kidding, it's not broken. It just hurts. Deep snow, Angel. Joseph? I can't see.